So who doesn't like a good salsa? I've tried many over-the-counter and off-the-shelf salsas, and they just don't tend to compare to what you get in the restaurant. And I've tried many recipes over the years, and this tends to be one of the closest that I could find to a restaurant salsa. So today we're going to be making Salsa Roja. So let's gather up everything and let's get started cooking up some salsa. Before we continue, I publish new videos every Tuesday, so remember to like, share, and subscribe. Also enable notifications and you'll be the first to know when new videos are published. So now, back to our recipe. For our salsa roja, we're going to need tomatoes, white onion, jalapenos. You can also use serrano peppers if you want more of a kick, garlic, cilantro, lime, olive oil, ground cumin, and tomato base. So now, let's get to the kitchen and start cooking this up. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is start getting our vegetables chopped up. Now you need to be careful with the jalapenos. Don't make the mistake that I've made several times, coming back and rubbing my eyes after I've done sliced one up. Not fun. So, get this. Throw that all right there. There we go. So I'm going to continue chopping all this up, and then once I've got all my vegetables chopped up, we'll get moved over to the food processor. Alright, so we've got all our vegetables chopped up, and we're going to add these to our food processor. Try not to make too big of a mess here. There we go. Dropped an onion. There we go. Alright, we're going to give this a little choppy chop. There we go. Now we are going to add in a good heavy bunch of cilantro to this. Now that we have room, make sure everything gets in there, gets all blended up. Now we're going to add the juice of one lime. of salt. And we're going to give that another blend. Alright, that looks about right to be the way I want it. So now what we need to do is we need to get over to the stove and cook this down a little bit. Okay, so we've got our olive oil heating up over a medium heat or a medium high. So now we're going to pour in our pureed vegetables. Now it will sizzle up a little bit. So we're going to make sure and get everything out of our container. There we go. Give that a good stir. And we're going to add in our tomato base. And then we're going to add in our ground cumin. And give that a good stir. So now what we're going to do is we're going to bring this up to a boil. And then once we're there, we're going to cover it and simmer it. So let's get this up to a boil and we'll be right back. Alright, so this has started to come up to a nice rolling boil. Or not a rolling boil, a nice little boil. So we're going to give this a quick stir. Then we are going to cover this and lower the temperature a bit, and we're going to let this go for about 20 minutes. So once we're done cooking for 20 minutes, we'll be back. Okay, so this has been going about 20 minutes. Oh yeah, love the red color. Give this a good stir. And now we're going to give it a taste to see if it needs anything, like maybe a little more salt. Now just another little pinch of salt should be fine. Alright, so now I am going to move this over to a bowl. You can serve this up warm or right off the stove, or if you prefer, you can set it in the fridge for about an hour or so to cool it down. But I'm going to plate this up and have me some now. So we'll be right back. Alright, so we've got this set up in a bowl with some chips. So I hope everyone enjoyed the video. Remember, new videos are posted every Tuesday. And as always, remember, be nice and be kind, because it could change someone's day. So until next time, enjoy cooking in the kitchen.